Kolkata, the city of joy, has hundreds of tourist attractions, from historical places to amusement parks, restaurants to theaters, everything you will get here. And this list just got bigger in 2020 when West Bengal Transport Corporation added a new spark in it. Kolkata Heritage River Cruise. Launched in October 2020, it is a 90-minute ride through Hooghly River to give you a glimpse of historical and important places situated by the river. Only for ₹39, you will start from Millennium Park Jetty and move towards north up to Aheri Tola. Then the cruise will take an U-turn and will go all the way up to Prinsep Ghat. Here, the cruise will take the second U-turn and will finally stop from the point where it started its journey. The cruise has two decks. The lower deck has a small coffee and snacks counter from where you can buy something which will cost extra. However, you can enjoy the ride from any deck you want. There is no such restrictions in the ticket. You should reach well before the commencement of journey to avail tickets as it becomes houseful. On weekdays, it runs 2 times, 4 pm and from 6 pm. On Saturday and Sunday, one extra ride is provided at 2 pm. The ambience is nice, with Rabindra Sangeet playing in a soothing volume. There will be announcements and voiceovers for the whole journey, so you will not miss any of the spots. As we start the journey, bidding goodbye to the jetty and the new Secretariat building in backdrop, the Fairly Place jetty appears. It is a busy one around the corner, used by many office commuters between Howrah and Kolkata. Then there is a long stretch of beautified riverbank pavement just behind the Millennium Park and Bibidi Bagh station. Next comes the Armenian Ghat, built in 1734 by a famous Armenian trader named Manvel Hazar Malia. The beautiful design of cast iron structures and pillars make it a place to visit. As we slowly head towards Howrah Bridge, we come across Mullik Ghat and the adjacent flower market. It is a famous market of flowers in the Kolkata. Usually remains very busy from the early morning. Vendors from adjacent districts come here to sell their flowers. Next, we cross the massive Howrah Bridge, also known as Rabindra Setu. The busiest cantilever bridge in the world, extending about 705 meters. It was opened in 1943. It is constructed by Barn and Jessop Company. The daily traffic reaches up to 3 lakhs of vehicles and more than 4 lakhs of pedestrians. It is the most used bridge by the daily commuters between Howrah and Kolkata. Next on the list is Trilokinath Temple. Just after crossing the Howrah Bridge, in the right of the river bank, we can see the Trilokinath Temple. The white building which can be seen is the Nimtala Crematorium, also known as Nimtala Mohashashan. Situated beside the Bidon Street, this crematorium is performing its duty from 1827.
সম্পন্ন করে তারপরেই রয়েছে ভূতনাথ মন্দির।
Adjacent to the crematorium, there is the cemetery of Rabindranath Tagore and the Bhutnath Dham. The Bhutnath Dham is considered as a holy site where all wishes come true upon worshipping Lord Shiva. Next comes the Ahiritola Ghat. Ferry services from here are quicker mode of travel between Howrah and North Kolkata daily commuters because of the long traffic jams in the road. Now it is time for the U-turn. As we slowly move towards Howrah Bridge again, the Chhatu Babu Ghat, Hooghly Dock and Port Engineers Company, Golabari Ghat become visible in the Howrah side. After crossing the Howrah Bridge, there comes the legendary Howrah Station and the ferry ghat.
ডান দিকে রয়েছে হাওড়া তার সামনেই রয়েছে
It is the largest railway complex of the country with 23 platforms and drive-in facility. Serving more than 1 million passengers and about 600 trains daily, this station is surely the lifeline of Kolkata and the adjacent area. On the other side of the river, one can see the important landmarks of the Kolkata city, the High Court, the new Secretariat building, the SBI headquarters, the Eden Garden Stadium. Adjacent to them, there is Babu Ghat and the beautiful looking Babu Ghat footbridge. The famous floating hotel named Floatel can also be seen just adjacent to the Babu Ghat. It is considered as the first floating hotel of South Asia.
বাঁদিকে রয়েছে বাবুঘাট
Babu Ghat has a rich history with it, which was built in the memory of Babu Rajchandra Das, husband of Rani Rashmani, in 1830. Now we slowly proceed towards the Vidyasagar Setu or second Hooghly Bridge, the longest cable-stayed bridge in India, measuring about 823 meters, is undoubtedly an engineering marvel. This bridge was built in 1992 to reduce the congestion on Howrah Bridge. We will make the second U-turn here and then we will be heading back towards the destination. We can see Ramkrishnapur Ghat on the Howrah side. After the blissful 90 minutes with plenty of cool breeze and refreshment, finally the cruise settles in the jetty. The lights are already on, preparing for the another journey. After a busy and hectic day, if you need a little bit of refreshment, you can surely visit this cruise. 90 minutes of fun and enjoyment in just ₹39 is very much a value for money experience. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.